Are you posting every day but still not growing? Hi everyone, this is a quick update from the social media team, and today let's talk about something most businesses believe, that posting every day will automatically grow their page. The truth is, posting daily is not the problem, but posting without direction is. In fact, we recently worked with a client in the healthcare sector with the same issue. They were posting almost every day, but the content was random. No clear message, no clear structure, and no real connection with their audience. And as expected, no real results. So, we did a few simple changes. First, we brought clarity. Every post focused on one clear topic. No mixing of ideas. Second, we aligned the content with their audience. Instead of creating generic posts, we started creating content focused on real patient concerns and the common questions. Third, we added structure, hook, value, and then CTA. So every piece of content had a purpose. And within a few weeks, engagement improved, inquiries started coming in, and finally the page started working. That's it from the social media team for now. Make sure to like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.